everyone, Sheree here. Today I've got a layout to share with you that I'm putting together using some pieces I've printed out from a digital kit. This one is called I Heart School, and it's a collaboration between Kelly Banks Creative and Libby Pritchett. You can find this one in the Sweet Shop Designs store online. So I've basically just gone in and selected the embellishments that I wanted to print out, and I've printed them using my home printer just with some thick white paper, and then I've cut them out, just fussy cut each one, and now I'm just layering them up on my page to create this layout. So it's all school themed, of course, so it's perfect for any of those school themed pages that you want to get documented. So I've got the pie chart, I've got the library card, a little envelope there, there's a ruler down the side of the page. There's little pencils and glasses and all sorts of things. So I'm just arranging them on the page at the moment, just layering the envelope with the little library card there. And I'm just making sure I've got them positioned the way that I want them to look before I stick everything down. So I'm just going to go ahead and add a little bit of stitching to this before I go any further. So just there on the top left hand corner and across the top of the library card, I've added a little bit of stitching. Now I'm going to go ahead and start sticking down some more of these layers. So I've got the pie chart that's getting tucked into the right hand side of that library card, and then my photo can go on top of that. And I do have another little label that I'm going to tuck in behind the left side just to add a little bit more colour to that side of the photo. So that's on there now, and I can play with some more little bits and pieces. I've got the school word that's going to be my title, the little pile of books there, and I've got foam dots behind that, and the little backpack that I'm about to stick down as well. Just getting rid of all those little backing pieces. So little backpacks going on the bottom left hand side there, and I've got a little pencil as well, so just getting these things positioned correctly before I stick them down. And also got those little glasses as well. So that pencil's just going underneath the books, and the glasses can go on there too. Madison does wear glasses at school, she just doesn't happen to be wearing them in the photo, but that's okay. I've got the little 6th grade label that's going under my title, and I did go ahead and print out the words Science Fair using my computer as well. So that all forms part of the title of my page. I've also got journaling strips I'm going to put in the top right hand corner, so I'll go off camera and do that, stick them all down so you can see there, those are stuck down, and I've added stitching to the journaling strips and to that 6th grade and Science Fair, those two pieces that I stuck under the title. So I've got the word school going on there now, and then all I will need to do is add these little stars, which I'm going to put just above that school word. I'll put a couple down near the backpack, and I'll have one star up in that top right corner near my journaling strips. Then all I need to do is add the date, and this page is done. So I hope you've enjoyed seeing how I've put this one together. I love doing a bit of hybrid scrapbooking. The fact that you can just print these things out at home, as many things as you like as well, is just so handy. I'll pop a link down below to Sweet Shop Designs where you can find this kit. Just search for I Heart School, and let me know if you've got any questions. I'll be back again really soon with more to share, and I'll leave you with these close-up photos at the end. Thank you so much for joining me today. Bye for now.